Hey YouTube, my garden flag was dingy and gross and it was dry rotting on the back. So I took this off and I'm going to make a new one. And what I did is I went to Dollar Tree. I got this placemat. This placemat, the only color they had was brown. The outside of my house is gray and black, so I wanted to incorporate a little color in it. You don't have to do this part. All you have to do is fold down this top right here and you can sew it, or you can glue it. Just make a little pocket for your garden stake rod to go through. What I did was I took some ribbon and this is wired ribbon, I just cut it off, folded it in half, and sewed it to the back. So this is going to be my little pocket for my rod. So I sewed these on. You could glue them on or try that. Some people have used 2 of these Dollar Tree placemats. I only used 1. I found that that's heavy, just as heavy as this one. So I just used 1 placemat, so that was $1. I had the ribbon. And how I made the little ruffle down here, there's probably an easier way. But the only thing I did was pull out the wire that was in the top and scrunched it up from this side, scrunched it up from that side, and cut it the size I needed. And then I took and placed it on top of my mat, and I sewed it down. So that's all I did, was sew kind of a straight line. It's not even straight, but you can't tell it once it's outside. So what I'm going to do to personalize this is I'm just going to take my heat transfer vinyl I have some white. I've already made my image. I'm going to lay it down and I'm going to heat press it. I'm going to do that and I'll be right back to show you at least how it looks before I heat press it and then after. As you can see, I have the image printed up and weeded, and I'm just going to try to place this as straight as I can and then heat press it on, and I'll come back and show you the finished garden flag. I wanted to show you the new Cricut I got. I got the Cricut Maker, and so this is what I'm using. I have an engraving tool for it. I have a rotary cutter for it. This fits in the first house. And I have all my markers, and I have some infusible ink markers that I don't know what to do with yet. And I want to show you the top of this. It's like a rose gold. This is a beautiful machine. My husband got this for me for my Christmas present. And as you can see, look at that detail. Those cute lines. I think that is such a pretty pattern. So I just wanted to show you this while my heat tool gets warm, my heat press. My heat press is super dusty, so just overlook that. I don't know how hot I need to have this. I kind of want to do it on the least amount of heat possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and press it. It may not stick down yet, but we're going to see. I'm going to go ahead and close my heat press. It's just on 198 right now. But I don't want to burn this. I haven't worked with this type of material before. And I'm hoping, since this is made for kitchen stuff, maybe the water will kind of repel a little bit off of this. Like if you use it as a placemat, it would hold like a drink. So let's see. I can't really tell yet. Nope. Not ready yet at all. In a few spots, it won't take much heat. I just don't want to have an ugly burn mark or anything around my image, like sometimes you can get if you use too high of a heat. So now it's heated up to 219. I'm just going to count again. It is still on just like 233 or something like that, but I think it might be done. Let's see. I'm going to put this camera down and finish peeling this off, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, now it is done. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Just get you some ribbon and some heat transfer vinyl and a cheap Dollar Tree mat, and you'll have your garden flag made. Like I said, you can use hot glue, and you can just fold the top under and glue it. Just leave a little pocket for the rod to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.